I'm Tiffany Mathis, CEO and Executive Director of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Central Illinois. And over the past 2 months, our amazing club staff have pulled together to meet the growing needs of hunger, isolation, and academic gaps for our 900 plus club members during the COVID-19 pandemic. To stay connected with our club kids, we have developed a virtual club platform known as V-Club, which provides online homework help, fun and engaging activities through our YouTube channel, as well as online mentoring and much needed social, emotional support for our club kids. We have also distributed weekly meals to our families and delivered fun activity bags directly to our members. And that's not all. While our 9 locations have been closed to our families, we have been working hard to upgrade our central unit and complete much needed projects like our new parking lot, along with deep sanitation and renovation of our club facility to meet the safety guidelines and approved recommendations that will keep our club kids and staff members safe once we reopen. On behalf of our board of directors, club families, and the youth we so proudly serve, I want you to know how truly thankful we are for your support during this unprecedented time for our club, our community, and our country. Your generosity ensures that Springfield's youth will receive the support they need now and when our clubs reopen. Want to get more involved? Click the link below or go to our website, www.bgccil.org, and look for the How to Help tab.